Hello and welcome everyone to Tech Data Streamone Click to Run solution. In today's video, we'll see the steps involved when ordering Tech Data Azure backup solution. So as you can see, I'm already logged into techdatastreamone.ca website with my credential. And to reach to this page, you can do a search by typing in Azure. The first option will be Microsoft Azure Registration Solution. So I'm going to go and click for detail. And these are all the click to run solution that Tech Data has created in collaboration with Microsoft. Now, in this case, we are talking about Tech Data Cloud Backup on Azure. So I'm going to just click the shopping cart. Cart one item has been added. I'm just going to go to view cart because I see 2 units. I just need to change it to 1. And proceed to checkout. And at this page, you need to change to your Microsoft Partner Network ID. And under the Microsoft Azure account type, moving forward, we want everybody to be on the modern because legacy, as the name suggests, is an older version. And here, you need to provide the end customer Microsoft account. So there are 3 options. If you're transferring an advisory, open or trial account, if you're creating a new end customer Microsoft account, or if you are already existing end customer Microsoft account. Now, in this case, I'll take the example of creating a new end customer. And here you need to provide a domain that you own. I'm just going to type in random and hopefully it is available. And after that is green check marked. You need to provide the Microsoft customer agreement. In this case, I'm going to provide my information or the person who signed this agreement. Pick today's acceptance date. You can also provide the phone number. And you can specify the person who will be receiving the account credentials. So basically, whatever email address you specify, to this email address, an email will be sent, which will allow you to log in into the Azure portal. And the first time it will, you're trying to log in, you need to change the password. And you just click on continue to payment. You can provide a reseller PO number just to segregate your different customers. So I'm just going to put any random name and click on continue to summary. And at this page, you get the information about the end customer information, the configuration, and you can see that for this SKU, the price is 0 because it's all based on consumption. There is no cost to start with. And once you place an order, you'll get a confirmation that your order has been placed. So this will be the first step. So what I've done is that I'm not going to click on this. I already placed one order, and I'll show you the steps after that. So I placed the order under the reseller name Cloud Innovation. So after you have done that, you can come to the reseller portal and come to the digital locker. And I can do the search by typing in the company name under which I placed that order. So it was Tech Data. I'm going to pick this. And after this, you can come to IES tab because this is where all the Azure subscriptions are listed. And if I scroll down, this is the one order that I placed for just showing this demo. So it was with this domain, and you'll get the SKU for that one. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on modify here. And it will take you to the page of your SKU that you've selected. In our case, it's Tech Data Cloud Backup on Azure. And I'm just going to click on configure because yes, we have placed the order, but we have not tweaked what properties we want that gets deployed on the Azure side. So it's only a couple of points that we have to provide over here. So such as which location we want to deploy this. So if you're deploying this in Canada, we have Central and East. Central is in Toronto, East is in Quebec City. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Canada Central. And you need to give a name for the resource group. I'm going to try to use demo febrg. And because we're talking about backup, we need to create a recovery service vault, and we need to provide the name for the recovery service vault. So let me just try if it let me. Okay, so it has to be as per the Microsoft recommendation. Once you have selected, the other thing that you need to pick is that what storage replication you want. Do you want the data in one region, which is locally redundant storage, which is going to be in Canada Central, or you want to replicate that between two, which is Canada Central and Canada East? And this is actually one of the advantage, because if you deploy that straight from the Azure portal, it doesn't give you the option of choosing. By default, it uses geo-redundant, but depending upon whatever has been the agreement and what replication you want with your end customer, you can pick one over the other. We give you both the options. So I'm just going to pick locally redundant for this demonstration. And then you can also specify what backup frequency. Do you want to deploy a no policy and then tweak it once that deployment has taken place? Or you want to do the daily backup, or you want to have the weekly backup? So all those things you can configure over here. Even if I pick no policy right now, I can tweak it once that recovery service vault is deployed. And you can also specify, do you want to deploy the log analytics? In our case, I'm not going to deploy. And you just click on the deploy now button. And once you click on this, it will run all the automation script in the backend, and it will deploy the resource group. It will deploy the recovery service vault in your region of preference, and also specify what redundancy you have selected over here. And once that is done, you'll get a confirmation email, and you'll get something like this. So in my case, I deployed a recovery service vault with the name RSV. As you can see, it is in East US with my subscription. And then you can further come over here and you can tweak the properties over here. So this was a quick demonstration of how to order Azure Backup Cloud Solution from Streamone. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.